Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Sky with Salman YouTube channel. Here you can see the beautiful clouds and here is light rain at this place. So beautiful weather at 9 a.m. in the morning. So beautiful clouds. I am recording these beautiful clouds for you. I'm uploading this video after a long time YouTube channel and just stay with us. We will update more and publish more videos to enjoy the beautiful weather and the raining, the sprinkles is so feeling best, feeling so cute. The sprinkles are so beautiful, pouring on me, and you can see the beautiful clouds and the birds are enjoying. Here are the birds and a water tank and on a pipe sitting on and enjoying it. There is more close look. The second bird is also sitting on a water pump, water pipe. Uh, so here you can see these birds are also enjoying the beautiful weather out there. And so cute, so cute clouds. Enjoy the